Today, I'll show you how to connect GoHighLevel to N8N to automate your workflows seamlessly. Start by opening N8N and navigating to the Credentials section on the left sidebar. Click Create New and select GoHighLevel as a credential type. Next, choose OAuth 2 for authentication. This secure, token-based method ensures limited access without sharing your personal login. Follow GoHighLevel's developer console instructions to set up OAuth 2 and make sure the API is enabled for your project. You'll receive a client ID, client secret, and OAuth 2 redirect URI. These are essential for connecting the two platforms. Enter these details carefully in N8N and double check for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the credentials. This establishes a secure link between GoHighLevel and N8N, allowing your workflows to run automatically. And that's it. You've successfully connected GoHighLevel to N8N, unlocking the power of automation to save time and streamline tasks.